Roblox rant videos are getting millions of views, and most people don't understand why.
Thea Buisen to marry him. She said yes. For a guy who's given away hundreds of millions of dollars, built chocolate factories, and literally recreated Squid Game.
In this video, I will show you how to create similar videos in 5 minutes using a single AI tool, upload them to YouTube, and enable monetization. First, we will write the text for the voiceover. We need a story about any popular streamer or YouTuber. Go to any text assistant. I recommend Claude. It is much better than ChatGPT and other models. Write the following prompt. Write a voiceover for a video no longer than 1 minute. Tell the story of something that recently happened to a popular YouTuber or Roblox streamer. If it's a truly compelling story, write the entire voiceover. Just be sure to write a story that YouTube will approve of, not one that's taboo. Claude will find a real story and write a 1-minute voiceover for us. I recommend writing 2 or 3 texts at once so you can create 3 videos immediately. Just write this prompt. Find another story set in 2025 with a very famous YouTuber on Roblox. The number of stories is not limited. Copy the first story and move on to the second step. We go to the Corpy AI website. It fully automates the process of creating Roblox rant videos. We choose the Roblox rant function. And now I'll show you how to best set up the video. There's nothing complicated. First, we paste our voiceover into the script. Next, we can choose the text style. There are many options here. You can choose whatever you like, but I recommend Proxima Nova. Set the font size to medium. You can leave the color white or change it to yellow or green. These colors attract viewers if everything looks clean and harmonious. Enable text shadows. Everything else can be customized according to your preference. Click Next. And here you'll see a large selection of gameplay footage for the background. Choose anyone you like. You can also upload your own gameplay if you want to record something yourself. It's entirely up to you. I selected a background. Now we click Next. Here is the voiceover section. A very important point. Set the voice speed to 1x, because 1.3x will be too fast and hard to understand. You can even set it to 0.9x. That also works great. Leave the voice pitch as it is, but if you want, you can set it to 1.3x. I don't recommend going lower. There are many voices available here. Choose the one you find most appealing. Personally, I choose Adam. It sounds good and makes you want to keep listening to the story. Once you've chosen, simply click Generate Video. Next, you'll be offered 2 options for creating the video: Fast and Advanced. The Advanced option takes longer but includes effects and cuts. You can choose Fast and then edit everything later in a video editor, but I'll choose Advanced. Click Generate Video. Now we just wait for it to finish. Guys, the most important thing in this niche is the presentation. Find a really good and slightly trashy story so it's interesting for the viewer to watch, and add different effects or memes. This makes the presentation more engaging and helps retain viewers. Ultimately, everything depends on the story itself. Corpy AI helps automate the process, but the script and ideas depend entirely on you. So rely on yourself. This is very important. My video is already ready. Let's take a quick look at what we got.
The world's biggest YouTuber just pulled off his most personal stunt yet, and this time, the prize was forever. On Christmas Eve 2024, Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast, got down on one knee and asked fellow gamer and YouTuber Thea Buisen to marry him. She said yes. For a guy who's given away hundreds of millions of dollars, built chocolate factories, and literally recreated Squid Game, this might be his biggest win yet. Thea, a South African psychology graduate and Twitch streamer, has been dating Jimmy since early 2022. While he was breaking world records with Beast Games, his new Amazon show featuring a $5 million prize, she was right there supporting him. The couple kept things relatively private, a rarity for someone whose entire life is content. But on Christmas Eve, surrounded by family, Mr. Beast proved that some moments are too special even for YouTube. No cameras, no challenges, no massive giveaway.
Great, the video turned out high quality. You can immediately create a few videos in a row and upload 2 videos per day. Copy the second story, paste it the same way, and customize it however you like. Now, an important point. After you select the video quality, a few seconds later you will be offered the option to modify the voiceover text. In this tab, you can insert your own memes with images, meme sounds, and many other elements.
Bruh.
There is a lot you can add. You don't even need to use a separate editor, because you can insert sounds and images directly on the website, which is very convenient. I recommend Corpy AI. The link will be in the description. If you want to add background music to your video, you don't need to search for music. You can simply create your own original track in any genre. When I make videos for any niche, I do exactly this. Go to Music GPT and write a prompt to create a cool melody. For example, something upbeat for Roblox or a trap beat for background use. My prompt looks like this: chill trap beat. 140 beats per minute, deep 808 bass, crisp hi-hats with rolls, atmospheric synth pads, minimalist melody, dark ambient vibe, no vocals, instrumental only, smooth background music for video content. Make sure to enable the instrumental option, because we need music without words. Then just wait for the track to generate. It doesn't take long. After that, you'll get 2 versions of the track. Let's listen to them. It sounds great. By the way, if you noticed, this exact track is playing in the background of the video right now. There is also a voiceover option here. You can immediately generate a voiceover by choosing the voice you like the most. There are many available. The link to Music GPT will be in the description. Now let's move on to the YouTube step. Now the final step is video optimization. Go to YouTube Studio and I'll show you how to fully optimize your channel and videos. On the main page of YouTube Studio, click Settings in the bottom left, then go to the Channel section. Here, set the country to the United States. At the bottom, you must add tags so YouTube understands who to recommend your content to. Write the following: Roblox, Roblox rant, Roblox meme, meme, Roblox game, Roblox memes. You can add more if you want. The more, the better. Save the changes and congratulations. We've optimized the channel. Now let's move on to the video. Upload the video you created. For shorts, the title can also affect views. It should be short and intriguing to grab attention. And at the end, add tags. You can follow this template. If you don't know where to get video ideas, take them from competitors and adapt them to your own style. But don't copy everything exactly. Also add tags in the description. And that's it. Now you have an understanding of how to optimize both your channel and your videos. That's all, friends. If I was helpful, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment about what you think of the video and what results you achieved. Share your results and ask questions. Follow me to stay updated on new trends and don't miss them. I wish you recommendations and see you soon.